Want to use WhatsApp on your computer? Here's how to download and install it. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC like Chrome, Firefox. Search for WhatsApp for PC. You'll see options for downloading WhatsApp on Windows. Click on Download for Windows. The file will start downloading automatically. Once it's done, open the exe file. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. Once installed, launch WhatsApp on your PC. You will see a QR code on the screen. Make sure both your phone and PC are connected to the internet for login. As WhatsApp on PC syncs directly with your phone. Do you use WhatsApp on your PC or your mobile? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.